How to disable pop-up blocker in Google Chrome. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable the pop-up blocker in Google Chrome. If you're new, please subscribe and like this video. So watch until the end as I'll show you two slightly different but useful methods. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your Google Chrome web browser and then click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Now select Settings from the bottom. In the Chrome settings, click on Privacy and Security, that is below the autofill and passwords. Now once you're there, find the site settings, which is the last option in this page. This controls what information sites can use and show. Now scroll down to the bottom and then click on pop-ups and redirects. Here you will see the default behavior setting. Currently it's set to don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirect. So to disable the pop-up blocker completely, click on the sites. Click on Sites Can Send Pop-ups and use redirect. Remember that this means any site can now send you pop-ups. The second method, changing the setting for individual sites, which can be very useful. So leave the general setting as don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirect, and then go to the website where you want to allow pop-ups. Now in the top left corner, click on the padlock icon or the icon something like this, which is indicating View Site Information. Tap on it and then tap on Site Settings. This will take you to the settings for the specific site only. To find pop-ups and redirects, it's currently blocked by default, so change it to allow for just the site. And that's it. Refresh the page and you will receive pop-ups from the site, but not from others unless you've changed the master setting as well. So that's how you can disable the pop-up blocker on websites in general or for specific sites. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.